Things you need to know about wine. Did you know? There are over 1,300 wine grape varieties used in commercial production, but only about 100 of these varieties make up 75% of the world's vineyards. Did you know? Drinking wine cuts the risk of dying prematurely by almost 1/3, and wine drinkers as a group have significantly lower mortality from cardiovascular disease and cancer. Did you know? Most wines last open for only about 3 to 5 days before they start to go bad. Of course, this greatly depends on the type of wine and how it is stored. Finally, wine is social. Learn about basic social wine etiquette. It will help you remain cool and calm, even in the most intense dining situation. Want to learn more? Check out our other fun facts and don't forget to like and subscribe.